Do you wish to get the best structure for your buildings? Do you want the best structural, electrical, and fire safety designing services? Are you interested in getting the best structural designing services for RC structure, MS structures, PEB structures, GRC, GRP, FRP cladding designs done in less time and at affordable cost? And if you want to have code-compliant and modern structural, electrical, or fire safety designing solutions, then welcome to Design Tech Engineering Solutions. From project design to project execution, Design Tech Engineering Solutions provides you with complete solutions. Whether your project is industrial, commercial, residential, or related to power sector or health industry, we have dedicated team with international experience. They will complete your projects professionally, economically, and on time. Not only the structural designing of new buildings, we offer existing building structural assessment, BEFS pre-audits, code compliance checks to meet international brand standards, RC structures destructive non-destructive testing, as-built drawings preparations, existing building structural strengthening designs, retrofitting work proposals to enhance building live load capacity, to add new stories or to enhance building earthquake resistance, electrical assessments, factory electrical as-built drawings preparations for brand submissions, fire safety assessments, factory fire safety as-built drawings preparations for brand submissions. Get a quote now.